that little scupper in the front with the two eyes beside it? Yeah. Okay, that's where it comes out of. It goes underneath that.
Okay. So it goes into that hole.
Goes to that hole. And the fish finder mounts on your center console thing. Or on your track rail. If you got track rail, you can probably just put it on the track rail since you use your center console for your tackle boxes. What's wrong? Rudder? It's not bad here at all. It's actually very nice. I got gulp for Crappie too. I'm hoping so. There's a couple other spots we know about that we can find. No boats. Yep. You got something, Dana. Yep, she's got him. We got a bluegill. She got the first fish. We knew she'd get the first fish. That's dinner for somebody.
That's a tiny bluegill.
Yeah. Got my first crappie. Yep, that first crappie. Okay. All right, they're here. Yeah, a lot here.
I hear 40 feet down.
Oh man. He's 11. Yeah, 11 inches. It should be on the outside. Okay, power's on the inside. Yeah, you need to switch your complete. Yeah, the end that goes to your battery and the end that goes to your fish finder need to be opposite of what they are. Just switch the two and you'll be right on target. I had to do the same thing on mine when I first did.
Remember
I had 2 hits right after while I was telling you about it. Okay. Yeah, it's right at the dock and under the trees there. And that was a crappie that bit my tail off because this one did the same thing. That's where that brush pile is. But they're not on the brush pile, they're off of it, just to the side of it. They're kind of under those limbs of the tree towards the dock. Yeah, there's a huge one right there across that dock on the tail. Fish that one. Yeah. What in the world did I do? Wrapped it all around. Yeah, I want to do that too.
Got what?
Guy has fly rod and the clouser. All right, got him. Second one. Let me get out to meet those trees, because that's where they're at. The other one was a lot bigger than this one. This one's smaller, but still fun. There you go. He's a little short one, but it's all right. Nope, but it got trout in it. No.
Later, you'll be up to your chest in water.
Swimming on a rock.
Yeah.
All right, I'm anchored now. Finally.
They let out a horn and a big siren and stuff when they're on wet water.
That's That's on the back side of the dam of Philpott, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a great place.
All right, I'm anchored now, so I'm going to try to.
Some of it I'm too far out.
Yeah, you got to come in about 10 or 15 feet. I had a hit just now. Another hit. I'm not sure if bluegills or just small crappie.
Yeah?
This is a spot in the middle of the summer you can catch crappie in this spot in the summer, which is pretty nice. They got a big pile of Christmas trees right at Dana. Dana's sitting on top of the Christmas tree pile.
Why they over there then?
I have tried fishing there, but they had no luck. But they seemed to be off. I didn't see any fish on it. Saw the pile, but I didn't see any fish.
In that light, they leave it on all the time.
Fly rod out here. This is a good spot to do the fly rod for bluegill. There's another crappie. Hey, another big one. Yeah, I've done fly fishing, Jenny. I've caught a few and Jenny fly fishing. Okay, buddy.
So the fish are laying between you and me, ain't it?
Yep, between you and me. He's 10 and a half. Mm-hmm. There he is, 10 and a half. Yeah, he's fly fishing. It's easier to fly fish standing. I caught that one right at the boat. He followed it, yeah. It's not a strong bite. They're not really super hungry right now, but they are biting. Yeah, they're nipping at it. Kind of small bite there, but and when you get right beside your boat, Dana, open up your pail, just let it drop to the bottom. Okay, and then just kind of fish it up. That's how I caught that one. You got him. That's crappie. Yeah, you got crappie. Yeah, cool. She's got a crappie. There you go. All right. And I got one too. Oh! 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 That's a big old, that's a bass.
That's probably 4-pounder. He's fighting for everything he's got.
It caught my attention, I can tell you that.
Yeah, I got a crappie too. Splash.
I got a 9-inch crappie.
Whoa! Man, this is a smallmouth. That's a smallmouth. It's a huge smallmouth.
Hey, it's so cute.
That's probably the biggest one we've ever caught here, ain't it?
That's why it's such a fight. What do you think?
Golly.
See?
Yeah.
It's a smallmouth.
Big old bronze back. back to Gulp Minute, didn't he?
You bet. He likes gulp too.
You get him on camera?
Yep. I think he's going to be measured.
Put him back in there. I want to catch him.
I doubt he's going to bite for a minute.
Oh, man. He's heavy.
He is huge. Hey, Dave's thick.
19. 19.
That's her bit probably.
19. Let me get my camera back straight here.
Probably the biggest fish we've caught that one.
Rankin. 19-inch smallmouth. Down here.
Got him on the video?
Yep.
And then I caught my 9-inch.
What did you say earlier about bass and minnows?
Yeah. I've always used Gulp minnows in a river, and I've caught bass with them. Yeah, doing that.
Man. That's the biggest smallmouth I've ever caught. 16 was the biggest record I've had.
Yeah.
And I caught him at Moomaw on a fly rod.
And what was that one?
19 smallmouth. I think I give up that gulp he ate.
Man, that's a good trade.
I wanted it back, but you know.
Yeah, you're going, is that a crappie? Whoa, and that thing's black.
Well, he hit like a crappie, but then as soon as the hook set, that's the lightest rod I have. I have a 20 reel on it with 10-pound test braid on it, and I had the lightest setup of anything. It was my crappie setup, so I had everything set up for super lightweight. That's why the rod was bent over so far.
Yeah,
This was an inexpensive Bass Pro rod that I caught him in, but I got him in. I don't know how good the video was, so I wasn't paying attention to what my camera was pointing. Huh? We gotta get you an anchor set up too. So Dana and I, we anchored out. It's much, when you're in a lake, the currents are so strange, you just can't. Oh, I had a hit. Oh man. I'm gonna drop straight again. I think it's a bluegill. Yeah, a little bluegill. Little bluegill. Yeah, I think it's crappie. Yep, crappie. That's the biggest crappie I've ever caught. Yep, got him right now. I thought I did too, but apparently not. No, I went back to other. They didn't like the fly I had. There you go. Right, there you go. — 12 inches. 12 inches. I got crappie juice all over my waders. Well, that's when you keep packages of the old minnow package available. Oh man, he hit me hard. And I missed it. Missed hitting the hook. He's there though. I got him that time though. Oh, he's good. It's a good one. Oh, look at this. Oh man, he's huge. That's a big crappie. Yeah, that's a good size crappie. Yeah, we're going up there. I think we've worn out this crappie hole. Man, he's heavy. He's a pounder. I mean, he really is a pounder. Yeah, he will. Man, he's nice. He's a nice size. He's 11 and a half. Not as big as the other one I had, but pretty close. 11 and a half crappie's good. Alright, let's pack up here a minute and see if we can fish differently. It's a beautiful place, isn't it, that house? I like it. Alright, I got something on the fly rod. Oh, I lost him. I think it was a crappie. There you go. Show him to the video.
Ah.
There he is.
Pretty one.
Yeah. I'm glad I left that jacket in my car for you. Cool. I'm gonna let them know that we're gonna work back that way. All right. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, this week is Fish with the Men. Now to take your drive out, take 2 black levers, pull them back, and pull straight up. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah.